Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So first of all, I hope that you all are doing well since we're meeting after a long time, after a couple of days. So first of all, do let me know in the comment section that how are you all doing, everything good? And okay, so इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे that what is the scope and salary of a veterinary ABC surgeon in India. So yes, let's get started. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे दैट ABC सेंटर होता क्या है. व्हाट इज़ एन ABC सेंटर? ABC, that is Animal Birth Control Center, is a center which involves sterilizing of animals, mainly dogs and sometimes cats, in order to control the stray animal population. Now, an ABC center also plays an important role in controlling the spread of deadly disease rabies, as a shot of anti-rabies vaccine is given to each sterilized animal before their release. Now that we have understood the importance of ABC centers in India, let us now try to understand the job profile of ABC veterinary surgeons working in there. Starting with the basic qualification needed. BVSC and AH is of course the basic qualifying requirement needed for this post. If the vet is MVSC in surgery, then he or she would of course be able to perform the spay and neuter surgeries. But even if they are not, that is they have done just BVSC or done MVSC in some other subject, and they have attended some animal birth control training program course like WBS, or they have performed good number of surgeries during their course, they can too work as an ABC surgeon confidently. Now let's come to how many spay and neuter surgeries are performed by an ABC surgeon per day on an average. So in the starting few months, 12 to 15 surgeries per day is a good number, because starting में of course आपकी speed थोड़ी slow होगी and you may even need assistance at times of an experienced veterinary surgeon or the presence of veterinary surgeon while you're performing the surgeries in the OT. But as the time goes by and as you do more number of surgeries, over the time your confidence will go up and the time taken per surgery comes down, so you would be able to perform as an experienced surgeon about 25 or even more surgeries per day. Now let's come to what can be the expected salary of an ABC surgeon. So the starting salary can be somewhere around 45 to 50,000 per month, but with experience of 2 to 3 years, it can even go up to 60 to 65,000 per month. So at the end, I would want to add that it is definitely a rewarding job, as you are serving the society by reducing the stray animal population and also reducing the spread of rabies. And this job will also require you to possess all the qualities of a surgeon, that is alertness, concentration, skills, patience, confidence and speed, because practically in an ABC center with the number of dogs to be operated in a day, performing a successful surgery with speed definitely matters. Also, this job requires you to be physically strong to be able to stand for long hours while performing the surgeries. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope that I was able to give you some information about ABC centers and working in an ABC center as a surgeon. So I hope that you like this video. If you have any queries, do feel free to comment down in the comment section below and I will revert to you. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe to Vet Visit. Do share this video with your friends. Also follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. While subscribing, do hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes up. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.